In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from your WhatsApp business app. So if you have a WhatsApp business app and you are receiving a lot of notifications, maybe from your clients, and it is distracting you, maybe you don't want them to appear during certain times, or you just want to stop them all at once, then let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the app information page. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to this settings option. And from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now, if you go ahead and tap on it, it will take you to this option called manage apps. You'll see here apps, and the apps we have manage apps. For this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So check for the option called manage apps. On your phone, it might be more apps or all apps. Go ahead and tap on it, and then this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now, from the list here, scroll until you see your app, or you can also search for your app here. So if I go ahead and search for WhatsApp, you can see we have WhatsApp business app, and here we are on the app information page. So this is where we are going to do our settings to stop all those pop-up notifications. Now, if getting to this page is quite tedious for you, then let me show you a shortcut method that you can use. For that, just go back and then go to your app and long press on it, and you'll see here we have this option called app info. If you tap on it, it will again take you to the same page. From this page, scroll down until you see notifications here. So if you go ahead and tap on it, you'll see we have all these notifications that are turned on. So to stop them, just go ahead and turn off one by one. Or if you want to turn all of them off at once, just go ahead and toggle this show notifications off, and all the other notifications options will be turned off. From now henceforth, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications that were coming from WhatsApp business app. So if you found this video helpful, please like it and also subscribe. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.